It's been a rough week for New York sports fan rocking the blue and orange, but the good news is, the Knicks season is just days away from tipping off. While a finals run seems like a long shot, the Knicks are poised to have one of its best seasons in recent history, and its sights are set on capturing a postseason seat above the play-in tournament. If you bleed the orange and blue, Jordan Brand has crafted an Air Jordan 1 mid colorway fit for that fandom. It features the classic all-leather cons.
Nike is certainly no stranger when it comes to New York Knicks-inspired sneakers. After unveiling a Dunk High and Dunk Low scrap earlier this year, the AJ1 Mid is now getting a familiar Knicks-themed makeover, as a part of the upcoming Wheaties collection, arriving in the General Mills cereal signature colors. This Air Jordan 1 features an all-leather construction that's smooth and slick to the touch. Working on top of a crisp white base, Game Royal panels wrap around the toe box, lacing. Jordan Brand is set to drop this new colorway of the Air Jordan 1 Mid utilizing the team colors of the New York Knicks. Shown below, this new iteration of the Air Jordan 1 Mid opts for an all-leather build that consists of a sail base. All new Nike Dunk High 85 Valentine's Day silhouette for early next year, dressed in the mood for love. Official colors include alabaster, rosewood, earth, and night maroon across suede and leather uppers, and to embody the retro 1985 look, lateral panels, laces, and midsoles arrive in pre-aged yellow tints. The heel counter incorporates 85 embroidery, and swooshes arrive in bright purple tumbled leather fabrics. Light pink tinted suede panels stretch across the mudguard and eye stays, and rounding out the look are burgundy rubber outsoles. The Nike Dunk High 1985 Valentine's Day is set to release February 1st via Nike and select retailers for $140.